Halloween. For today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this look. I'll give you a step-by-step on this makeup tutorial, show you how I did a quick 2-minute sock bun. My next video is also gonna be a Halloween weekend video. I'll be taking you along with me to all the Halloween festivities, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. If you guys watched my birthday vlog, you know I tried a pink eyeshadow look for the first time on myself. I usually just stick to brown shadow, but it actually looked pretty good. I was surprised. So we're gonna switch it up again. We're gonna try a blue shadow look for today, and we'll see how it turns out. If I end up looking like a drag queen, it is what it is. It's Halloween, so who cares? Okay, so I'm gonna go through step by step because that's how I like to process things, you know? So we're gonna start with micellar water. I'm just gonna cleanse my face with that. My under eyes look so dark today. This is why you cleanse, people. This is why you cleanse. I actually use olive oil, fun fact, to remove my eye makeup. So I wash my face and then I use micellar water, and then for my eyes I've been using olive oil for like the past 3 years. I'm pretty sure it's good for your eyelashes too. That's why my eyelashes are so long. It definitely helped with that. I mean, that's not the only reason my eyelashes are so long. I've always had long eyelashes, but I feel like it helped make it more full, you know? So just some olive oil under my eyes to remove any excess makeup. I'm actually usually really good with removing my makeup at night. Like, I can't sleep with any makeup on or I feel disgusting. Okay, then I'm just going in with the CeraVe eye repair mask, and my moisturizer is also CeraVe. I actually plan on getting like a whole skincare line soon, so I'll definitely make a video on that. You know, just make sure you use your ring finger so it's gentle on the eyes, and you know, dot it on there. Just kidding, I'm not a beauty guru, I just like put it on. Moisturizer, I like to go in outward motions. My skin has been so dry from this weather, ridiculous. So I need to make sure I moisturize well because ain't nobody trying to look crusty out here. Then I'm going in with the Master Prime by Maybelline in the number 300. This is actually really good if you have redness, and it smooths out your skin for you. Next, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Just a pump goes a long way. And I'm gonna apply that all around my under eyes and also down the sides of my nose. And then whatever I have left, I just kind of scrape it with my beauty blender and dab, dab, dabbing away. And then whatever concealer is left, I kind of just bring it up to my eyelids. Now that that's all blended in, I'm gonna bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now while I wait for that to bake, I'm gonna start with my eyes. So I am using the MAC Prep and Prime, the eye primer. Just put a little bit of that and apply it all over my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Powder Plus foundation and dab that on my eyelids as well. Okay, so I'm gonna use two different eyeshadow. Rude. Okay, so I'm gonna use two different eyeshadow palettes today. The first one is from Sephora. The second one is from Luminous Dude, can you not? The second one is from Luminous Cosmetics, And I'm gonna start off by using this white shadow right here. You could tell I use this a lot, it's almost out. And I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelids. And now I'm gonna wipe off the powder under my eyes. Now I'm gonna move on to the Sephora palette, and I'm gonna use this light blue right here under Tropical. You guys, I'm nervous. What if this looks like ass? All right, here we go. Okay. So I'm just putting it all over my crease, and then I'm gonna drag it down to the side as well. Then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend that in. Now I'm just going in with the darker blue shade under Tropical and applying that on the outer crease. Okay, we getting somewhere. Okay, now going back with the same blending brush and just blending everything together. Time for some eyeliner. I'm just going in with the MAC Brush Black Liner. When I apply my eyeliner, I like to keep my eye open in the beginning and draw the line based on that. And then just connect it to my inner eyes. You know? You feel? And I just sort of drag it in using strokes like that. And I like to bring it down a little bit to my lower eyelid. Just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going back with the same white shadow I used and just placing it under my brow bone. Before I apply my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix foundation and just apply that all over my face. I usually wear the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. That's my go-to foundation, but I just ran out, so we're gonna go with this for today. Now this shade is definitely a lot darker than my skin tone, so I just need to make sure to bring it down to my neck. Time for eyebrows. I'm just going in with the Milani Brow Fix. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies. It's in 113. I have a bad habit of leaving my glue open and then it ends up drying up overnight, so closed it this time. I'm just gonna go back with the eyeliner and just reapply over my eyes, just to make sure it's nice and straight. I use the Kat Von D contour kit. Just apply that on my cheekbones. The sides of my nose. If you guys didn't notice, I kind of just switch around between doing my eyes and doing my face. I kind of just do what feels right at the moment. I also apply it on my forehead. And under my chin. All right, time to blend all of that in. And then I use a smaller brush to blend in my nose. And I just bring that up and blend in whatever is needed for my eyeshadow really quick. All right, now I'm gonna go back with that dark blue and apply it under my eyeline. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. ASMR. Okay, I'm kind of feeling this. This is not bad. I'm going in with the MAC Graph Black eyeliner and I'm going to use it on my waterline. And then I'm using this bronzer from Milani. And I'm just applying that on my cheekbones. This one is more of a baked bronzer. Then going in with this Lovejoy blush from MAC. Then just blend all of that in together. Now I'm gonna go in with this Dazzle Shadow Liquid Glitter from MAC, and I'm gonna apply that on the inner corners of my eyes. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use two different lipsticks for my lips. It's gonna be the Matte Darling from Milani and also the MAC Cream Cup. This is what the cream cup looks like, and then I'm gonna add this one on. And then I just put some concealer on this brush and I'm gonna line my lips with it. One final step, I'm using the NYX setting spray and I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. All right, and this is the finished makeup look. I'm about to change into my Cinderella costume and do my hair, then I'll come back to show you the final look. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair in a bun. I use a sock and just roll it up. So what I'm gonna do is bring in the sock right here and then pull it down to the very end. You can't really see this headpiece because my hair is dark, but it's cool. Super quick and easy hair bun, and it took like 2 minutes. This is actually my first time trying out this look, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming this look for you. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week. Toodaloo!